Hi, my name is Amy and I have a blog site and informational site called Cultivate Cleaner, and one of the things that I do is share information about how to reduce chemical exposure. There are a lot of chemicals that are in our beauty products and in our household products that a lot of folks aren't aware of. So this short little video is about our kitchen, and one of the things I'm going to do is just share a little bit of information about how to reduce some of that exposure in our kitchen. There are chemicals like parabens and phthalates and heavy metals and other things that cause cancer and allergen reactions and endocrine disruption that really aren't that good for us. But there's some simple things that we can do that can reduce that risk. So one of the things that I talk about is trying to avoid as best you can products that have added fragrance. A lot of folks love fragrance and they like to smell good, but if you buy a product that has added fragrance and it doesn't list what's in the fragrance, it can have up to 4,000 different chemicals in it that aren't disclosed, and that's due to a bunch of different US laws that aren't so hot right now. So if you can, try to avoid them, particularly if you're washing baby clothes or kids' clothes. Try to do your best to use unscented detergent. Another thing we want to try to do is avoid storing food in plastic. I know we all have a lot of plastic in our lives. If you do use plastic, please don't heat it, don't put it in the dishwasher, don't microwave it, and don't store acidic food in it like tomatoes. Because what can happen is chemicals can leach from the plastic, and I know a lot of folks will try to buy PBA free plastic, but what we're starting to learn is that the substitutes for PBA might be just as dangerous as the PBA. One of the things you can try to do is recycle glass. So glass is okay. This is a cute little yogurt container that I have. Actually had a yogurt in it. And so this is a great little thing to keep and use again. You can also recycle rags instead of paper towels. That's another cheap way to reuse something as opposed to buying new. You also can look at do-it-yourself cleaners. Obviously you want to make sure you know what you're doing if you're mixing chemicals, but oftentimes vinegar and baking soda, baking soda and water to clean a microwave, vinegar and water to clean a counter or a fridge are less expensive, more efficient, and safer option than something that might have chemicals. So those are just a few ideas. You can certainly look on my website, or another great source of information is www.ewg.org. That's the Environmental Working Group website, and they will have some ideas for you as well. I'll be sharing another couple of videos, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.